Namaste everyone. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to learn to trust the universe when you're going through a rough time, when things are not going well for you. It's easy to be trusting the universe when you're in a positive mindset, when things are happening the way that you want it. You're surrounded by a good vibe, a happy vibe, and you're so happy. And it's easy to go in that momentum and think that everything's going to work out. But what do you actually do when things are not working out? How can you shift your mind to actually believe in the universe and be able to manifest whatever you want? My name is Priya. I'm very passionate about spreading positivity and empowering people to live your life to your fullest potential. We're all divine beings. We're being of love. We have the capability to create our life the way we want it. So let's make it beautiful together. Let's dive in. So in today's topic, I wanted to talk about how you can shift your mindset to trust in the universe when you're actually going through a rough time. Usually when you're going through challenges, what your mindset is usually in a negative way, where you're thinking, why is this happening to me? You're questioning, why is it me that this is always happening to? All these negative talk, all these negative thought patterns comes across us when we are going through some challenges, especially when it's like going in a cycle of so much challenges in your way where everything is going wrong. But you have to actually think about it. Universe exists regardless if you trust in the universe or not. So the trust is actually for you, not for the universe. Just like gravity. Let's say gravity exists no matter if you trust in the gravity or not. But what happens to you when you don't trust in the universe, it's more harmful for you than anything else. Because when you don't trust in something, what comes to you is more doubts and fear. When you're fearing something, then you're actually in a negative mode. You go through a lot of emotions that are negative. You go through a lot of cycles of negativity. So you're attracting more negative in your life than positive things. So next time something bad happens to you, make sure you stop yourself from saying, oh, this is happening to me again, or why me? Like, stop using those words as if like it's always coming to you, because when you put that out there, that's actually what the universe is going to give you. Because the universe is not biased. It's not about, the universal energy is not about positive or negative. It's as is. So whatever it gives, whatever you ask, you'll receive it the way you ask for it. So if you are in a struggle mode, if you're struggling with something, then you have to stop yourself and to just tell yourself, this too will pass, and I will get over this, and something positive is coming. Just think about positive affirmations at that point and be like, I'm beyond this, I'm more powerful than this, and I can make it. I can think about all the positive that happened to you in your life, and reassure yourself that things are happening for good. But when you're thinking of like negativity or doubting and fearing, then you're actually attracting more doubts and fears and more struggle in your life. So if you want more struggle in your life, keep going in that same pattern. But if you want to switch this pattern, then you have to change your mindset. So changing a mindset could be difficult when you're in a rough situation. And I spoke about this in my previous videos as well. But you have to understand, if you don't make those changes, then you're going to see what you see all the time. So if you're happy with what you're having right now, then don't make any changes, because you're doing what's necessary for it to come to you. But if you're unhappy about anything that's coming your way, then you have to start shifting your mindset, shifting your the way you react to things, shifting the actions that you're putting in. Make changes to that. Because once you start changing those things, then you will start seeing changes in your life as well. So like I mentioned earlier, the gravity. If you don't trust in gravity, gravity will still exist no matter what. Just like universe. Universal energies, God, whatever you label it, something above us exists, even if you believe it or not. And if you don't believe it, that's okay. If that's how you want to live your life, that's not a problem. We're not here to judge anyone. But the problem is, if you are not trusting in something, then you are creating more doubts and fears to yourself, unless you have something else to strongly believe in and you're moving forward to it. And sometimes people believe in themselves more than anything else, and that's totally That's not wrong in any form. Like, you trust yourself and move forward. But whatever you believe in it strongly and move forward. Because when you don't believe in it, it doesn't mean that whatever you believe in doesn't exist. It just means that you stop believing in it. Therefore, you have doubts and fears in your life. So imagine gravity, as I mentioned earlier. If you don't believe in gravity, let's say you feel like you're going to start floating or you're going to be falling, whichever way directions it is. Imagine if you have that fear in yourself. You're going to start holding on to things. You're going to not be wanting to walk or move forward because you're going to be stuck into whatever place you are because you're afraid of moving forward. Same thing happens in your life as well. If you don't believe in yourself or the universal energy or whatever you strongly believe in, then you're going to be stuck in whatever situation you are in right now. So in order for you to start moving forward, you have to believe that there's something greater than what you know. Because even that greatness could be within you, and you just need to tap into it. So make sure you start believing in that there's positivity, that there's more things, greater things coming to you, and believe that universal energy is there for you to offer whatever you want, and break the cycle of struggles that you go through by not putting your focus there. Because whatever you focus, your attention goes there, energy flows there, and that's the result you'll get. The more you focus on the negativity, the more negative you will get. So start focusing on positive energies, start focusing on connecting with the universe and trusting. Trusting is a beautiful process. And if you learn it, if you learn to let go of your fears and doubts, it's easy to trust in something, especially the universal energy that we should all connect to because we're all one. Beyond that, one other way that I mentioned in my previous videos also is clarity. If you're clear about what you want, then you won't be attracting all these negativity in your way. And even when it does, you won't consider it as negativity. You'll take it as a lesson learned, or something that you need to just pass through before you get some greatness. So when you have clear mindset about what you want, then your life will actually flow in a better way. It will be fluent. It will be flowing like a river, actually. So start actually being clear about what you want in your life. And the way to do that is being in a calm moment. Don't think about what you want when you're either very depressed in your life, or like, you're not in a good mood, or even when you're like too hyped up and you're just like super energetic and you're like, yeah, I got this, I'm not gonna do it. Because at that moment you're probably taking lots of risks. Risk is not a bad thing, but you want to make sure your mind is clear that you actually want this, instead of just wanting to do it because it excites you. So be in the nice, like, calm moment, and the best way to do that is decluttering your mind. And the best way to declutter your mind is use your breath. We are gifted with our breath. Like, breath is everything. It's our life. So use that to actually help you, benefit you. So sit in wherever you are, in a quiet room where you're not distracted. Close your eyes and breathe. Take a deep breath in and out. You don't even need to follow a certain pattern. Like, there's so many different patterns that people follow. You don't even need to learn that. Just do regular breathing. Breathe in and out, and declutter your mind. Okay, that will totally clear your mind. Once you do that, tune into yourself and ask yourself, what makes me happy? Because that's what you should be doing. Let's say you love doing something, but if it doesn't make you happy, so tune in and see how your emotions are. So if you love doing something that truly makes you happy, then you're in the right path, and things will work out for you no matter what. Just trust in the universal timing, trust in the universal energies, and things will work out for you. But tune in, follow your heart, follow your passion, and take actions, because without taking action, you're not going to move anywhere. You need to have you need to be moving forward, not just physically, but also physically, but in every way. If you're not growing, if you're not moving, then you're not living. So make sure you keep growing, you keep moving, and you're moving forward towards your right path. Whatever pathway that is for you, just tune in and make sure that it truly makes you happy, and just follow that pathway, and you'll be happy. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe if you're new to my channel. Click the notification button as well, because I'm very determined to creating weekly videos for you. I want to empower everyone to live their life to their fullest potential. Let's create our life the best way possible. Let's live our life the best way possible. Until then, namaste.